Bro, since Boko Haram fired at you, has the Nigerian government been taking care of you?
Yes, they have. Nigerian governments have been taking care of me, especially my Nigerian army, which is where I belong to. So the prosthesis I'm using, this artificial leg I'm using today is given to me by Nigerian army. This is the second prosthesis. So I'm still serving and I'm still being paid for my service. So they're trying their best in that area. They can do their best, and I appreciate them for that, because I know even the armed forces have their own things to sort out and have many other wounded soldiers. So that I'm giving this one is the fundamental things. They're doing the fundamental ones, which is providing the leg that's been lost. And me, I'm putting effort on my own aspect to get other things that I needed to get to support my life.
Okay, this issue of Boko Haram, should we be worried about them with the way things are going? Do you think the army is making progress, or they are still stuck in the same situation for many years?
Even for long, we have been making progress. Just that sometimes it seems as if they know they finish. That is the matter at hand. Because in terms of the war, we know how many of Boko Haram that have been eliminated during the time of war. Even when I was here before the day I was fired, I know how many of Boko Haram that we have packed, because they have attacked our camp in Dambua. Not just once, not twice. So, and anytime they come for attack, they lost their personnel, their buddies, which is their follow bandits. So, but what keeps us worried is that we keep on seeing them, even if as they are dying, we keep on seeing them. That is what even me I can't explain. Where they generate their own people as the Boko Haram. So that is what me and other flow wounded soldiers sometimes we worry about those things, because since then, by now it didn't supposed to have been finished, but we are still seeing them.
So I'll be going to the hospital in Kaduna where wounded soldiers are being taken care of, and I'm hoping to document some stories. So please stay tuned. Go to YouTube, search the Locudo Experience if you don't want to miss the episode. I hope that they allow me film the soldiers. I want to tell their stories. I want people to understand what soldiers go through just to keep this country safe. Some of you don't really understand how insecure our country is. It's because of soldiers like this that keep the safe, that you only get to hear it on social media. You don't get to see, or you don't even get to feel the impact of this terrorist. It's a very serious issue, and I hope that God sees us through. Amen. If you have a story you'd like to share, please reach out to me. I'll be very, very happy to listen to you and maybe share your story. Some of you were once in the military. You have a lot of things to say. Maybe you're not there anymore. I'll be very happy to document your story. Some of you are still in the military. Maybe you want to talk about something. You don't want to show yourself. There's a way we can still document your story with why hiding your identity. Peacemaker, thank you very much for sharing your story with us. We hope that God sees you through with your music journey and everything. You're an inspiration to so many soldiers out there. I hope that God keeps lifting you from place to place. So is there any other thing you'd like to say?
Yes, what I'm trying to say is that let our citizens, let the content creators, our influencers, our top artists, then radio stations and DJs, street DJs and club DJs to make use of my sound away by Peacemaker Vibes. Let them show their support. You see, so this is a time they can support you. They really care about the services we are rendering to the nation, because the revenue and the royalties that the song will generated will also be donated to support other fellow wounded soldiers. Let them support us as they're supporting me, they're supporting my fellow other soldiers. So let them vibe and use the sound. Thank you.
Kai, I wish this was America. Nigeria, God. May God help you, Peacemaker. May God really, really help you. That's my prayer. And to everyone out there, you're watching us anywhere in the world, keep fighting, keep holding on. Okay? Keep holding on. Thank you.